In your Shots to Hole coach account, you have the ability to filter things that no one else can. One of these options is to filter by a coach player. So when you have invited a player and you can see their data, you can now bring them up into any of these filterable areas. So in this case, I've clicked on the list. I'm going to go for demo player 1. Some other features on using the coach player filter. If you have a big list of players, which will happen over time, you can easily sort by name or a few letters of their name. So you can see there I've been able to reduce my list down. Or I can sort by the various coach groups I've made, which again helps you to consolidate down your list and makes it easy to find the player that you're looking for. As we're going through here, I'm putting in a few of my players for comparison. So I have demo player 1, 4 and 2 being compared to demo player 3, who's over here where it says all rounds. By clicking on the benchmark, anything in this case that's green means that the players I'm comparing is better than my comparison column, which is player number 3. An area that stands out where player 3 is very good. He's good at hitting the green within 15 feet. He does that more than the people he's being compared to. His sand saves is good, but the other areas are concerning and could be areas where he could improve his score. It's also worth noting that all the scores or the skill level of the players he's being compared to is better. So this would be a great example for a player on the outskirts of your squad who wants to take that next step, and you can show him exactly where he needs to improve from a statistical standpoint. So this is how you would use the coach player filter in Shots to Hole, and there's a couple of examples there of how you may analyze the data.